Okay, let's go to our little program here, which is right here. I'm going to use this little link here and hopefully find something to do with orthogonal projection. I think it was down number 6, but I can search for it. No, it wasn't level 6, it was something 6. Orthographic projection, this one here, 1-12 I reckon. Let's click that. Introduction, had a little, well, that's a bit, half of it showing. I'm not sure what's happening with that there, but this is a good little thing here which talks about orthographic projection and the difference between first angle projection and third angle projection. Okay, so this is a little video. Let's see, here's a short video. Let's just play that for a minute, see what is in there.
Hello and welcome to mycadsite.com, and this is just going to be a very quick video showing you how we represent 3D objects in a 2D world. Now in 2D drafting, the challenge is to make something three-dimensional appear to be two-dimensional and give all the information you can about it using just flat views. Now here I've got a 3D object, and it's just a simple block with a wedge cut out of it and a hole drilled right through it. You can kind of see the lines coming through here. And if I look at the front view of it, you can see pretty straightforward what it is. It's just a block. There's the hole going right through it. But you don't know how deep it is. That could be 10 inches deep or 1 inch deep. And so what I can do is go to the top view now, and then that tells me, okay, that's how wide it is, and there's the hole going, and it goes all the way through it. Great. So there's two views, and I could just draw those two views and represent how that block works. And normally what you'll do is also add a third view, which will be the end view that shows this side of it. So I've got this sliding part here, the hole going through it. These lines here will be represented as hidden lines in the drawing, and you'll see this later in the tutorial. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at where this orthographic projection comes from and how the views relate to each other in a 2D world.
Okay, so that's a little thing. Now these are little symbols that represent you're supposed to have on your drawings to represent whether it's first angle or third angle projection. Don't ask me to which one is which. Honestly, I declare here and now, these drawings, you know, I can't work out which one it is by looking at that. The standard, in fact, says that you can actually write on your title block, you know, rather than putting the symbol, you can actually write whether it's been done in first angle or third angle projection. I'd rather see it in English, so I can read it. All right, but that's me. So if we're looking at this drawing here, what is this drawing here? Okay, this is the, I'm pretty sure this is must be, I'm pretty sure this third angle. This must be first angle here. I'll just decide, yeah, first angle projection here. Okay, what is the big deal about all this? I'll just demystify this right now. Basically, when we're talking about first angle and third angle projection, we really only referring to, you know, you're doing a civil and a mechanical sort of stream here. We're really referring to the mechanical side of things. The civil stuff don't really use this idea of first angle or whatever. So you just draw stuff anyway. Well, the whole idea is that you, if you do it in first angle or third angle, then one does not have to ask you, is that the top view or the bottom view here, you know, or is that the side view? But what you do in civil and architectural drafting, you're right here, plan view, west elevation, you know, whatever. So, you know, all it's doing really, the whole idea about these symbols here is that to do away with writing a couple of labels to say what it is. Really, that's all it is. or as far as I'm concerned anyway. Maybe the diehards will argue with me, but anyway. So this is first angle. Now, who uses first angle? Basically the US again, the same people that use imperial. All right, so the rest of the world pretty much uses third angle projection. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means that if I'm looking at the right side of this 3D shape, see that little shape there? I'm going to put it to the right of the front elevation. So that's the front. There's the front there. Right? The top is always at the top of the page, which makes sense. In architectural and civil, most of the time it'll be bottom left. It'll be the plan view. But anyway, that's a top view. Always the top view is at the top. We've agreed on that. The only thing we haven't agreed on, and the front is front, so same with the US. If we have a look at the same shape, this and this should be the same. The bottom one, which is underneath, is a little bit different. If we look at the right side of the same box up here, the right side is actually on the left. All right, so the right side, the Americans put it on the left side. All right, so really, it's not rocket science when you decipher it and think about what the hell you're doing. All you're doing is the top view is on top, the front view is just below it. The underneath view is underneath that. Hardly ever you get that, and hardly ever you get that. The only thing you get is that, and probably that. You're never going to get the back side of it either. All right. So let's just concentrate on these three views. As long as you put the right side view on the right, the left side view on the left, you got your third angle projection, and you're done. All right. Good. Any questions? No, it's done. It's finished. No. Okay. Does that make sense? Anyone else want to add to that? To what I just said?
The first angle, what's
the point of that? The point of that is to be different. It's the same thing as having left-hand and right-hand drive. It's got to be different. We can't agree.
It's like the type statement of the system using imperial.
Yeah, exactly the same. Yeah. It's just because you can. Yeah, because you can do it differently. You do it differently. Yes, it doesn't make sense, but.
What about secret weapons?
Secret weapons?
Secret weapons.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
No. There's always some sort of a hidden agenda behind all this sort of stuff. But anyway, they're the two systems. What's second angle projection? Anyone know? No one knows? Well, I never heard of it, but I just wondered if anyone did.
Okay.
All right.